Hey everyone. Well, to fix this tractor and the lawnmower over here, we're going to have to take these parts off. So I figured I'd bring y'all along for that. Well, you see that ball joint's bad, but this bracket's so daggone loose, it's wiggling all over the place also. And that may have been a whole lot of the whole problem. But regardless, since I broke the rest of that, oh, do I have a wrench big enough? Did I bring a wrench big enough? Nope. Nope. Okay. It's big enough for that. I don't know if y'all can see that. The whole bracket, the ball joint, everything's moving there. So we're going to tighten the bracket up first. Got an adjustable wrench that'll work on that. Not sure why that's worked itself loose. They're just barely on there. That just ain't gonna work in there, so I'm gonna have to find something different. Damn off there. Let's see here. Alright. A couple of different things going on here. Oh. Sure, it's going to drain all my power steering fluid out. I hate working on stuff. It seems like every time I work on something, I usually wind up tearing up more than I fix. Alright, that's definitely a lot bigger. It's been changed somewhere down the lines. At least it's coming off easy. Alright. Now this thing's just got two little pins here and get them out. Oh. That definitely don't want to come off there. Oh. There we go. Alright. Now if I can keep somebody from coming over here and playing with them and losing them. Let's see here. And I'm going to guess that whole thing's going to spin. Yep. Alright. We'll have to figure out some way to hold that. I figured with it being so wore out, it wouldn't. It being so wore out, it wouldn't hold. That one. I doubt this one will either. Yeah, that wrench's not big enough. Sorry from blocking you off my beard. I just leaned in way over that, wasn't paying no attention. Now, where I'm not reusing this, well, no, because I need this replaced. I can just beat the crap out of that one. This one, oh, got my hands all greasy so I can't touch my camera no more. I'm gonna go see if I can get a pair of vice grips and put on this washer looking thing right here, but that's probably gonna just, I can't move it with my hands, but it's liable to break it loose when I put pressure on it, but we're gonna try it. Well, let me go get the right size wrench. It's just apparently not the right size. Where I can see it, because I think it's still spinning, so it's kind of what I thought it would do. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I just broke the washers loose. All right. Let's see here. There we go. Hit it with a hammer. I mean, it's not extremely bad. I mean, I could, if they're, ooh, that might be fun. Oh. All right, I went and got me a pancake jack, put on there just so I could add some pressure. Yay! Oh my goodness. Yay. Whoo. Well, that didn't go as easy as I hoped, but we got it off there. We'll put this in the truck. You got kitties in the cage? Somebody likes playing with them kitties. I'm gonna go take this to the truck. Hey everyone, we just drove 3 hours to a tractor junkyard down here. We found our part. Used one, 3 hours away. Josey, we just checking things out here. We're having to wait there at lunch right now. See all the old tractors back here in the background. Looks like they got quite a few David Brown sitting around here. We're gonna get our part and we'll head back home here directly. Hey everyone, it is yet another day. Me and Josey was on the road yesterday. I think we left the house at 9:30 yesterday morning and didn't get back till 5:30 last night. Longest trip she'd been on. She done pretty good though. We stopped and got some lunch on the way up. Stopped and I got her a milkshake on the way back. But she done pretty good with the trip. We got a replacement part. I've got it put on, got the hoses hooked up. If I got the hoses hooked up right. This one was made just a little bit different than my other one. So they could be reversed. We'll find out here in a minute. I'm getting ready to put some power steering fluid in there. But that place, if anybody's hunting for a tractor junkyard, had what seemed to be just about anything you wanted. Like I said, on the video there, you can see what tractors was there, but looked like what they done. They knew what parts, I guess, people would need. So they have everything took off. Like, you know, we got there, it was lunchtime, so everybody was at lunch. We was just walking around out there in the tractors, and there was probably 4 or 5 David Browns, maybe more than that, I don't know. But you know, a lot of them still had this steering, hydraulic steering thing on there. But after the guy come and waited on us and things like that, he went back and got one off the shelf. There was like 7 of them back there on the shelf. So it looked like they took all the parts, you know, that they knew people would need off, and they were stored on shelves and things in their buildings. So they had tons and tons and tons of stuff. But that place is it's called Pleasant Hill Farms, and it's in Pleasureville, Kentucky. So, but yeah, it's a trip for us to get up there. But it's pretty close to Frankfort. But if y'all want to check that place out, like I said, Pleasant Hill Farms, and looked like they had about anything you could want for a tractor. You know, especially you get into older model tractors like this. I couldn't get that part new. Nobody carried that part new, so I had to get a used one. A place or two did have a rebuild kit, and that hose or tubing that was busted on mine. Now one of the guys I talked to, this tubing right here was broke off mine right flush with that. And it'd already been repaired once. You could tell that it had been repaired once. He said he could possibly fix that. He would have to get a new tube and bend it and everything and solder it back on there and all that. Probably would have took about a week, and it was going to cost just as much as going to get one of these used. So we just run up there and got one of them used. I didn't have to wait too long. But anyway, we're going to put some fluid in this thing and see if we can't get her going, and see if I got the hoses hooked up right first of all, I guess. Let's get all that dirt in there. It's starting to rain. We got a pretty big chance of storms today. It's already rained a little bit on us this morning. That jug wasn't full, just so y'all know I didn't put a whole jug in there. Ooh, it's a cold rain. He getting there now. Back in business with the tractor, and it's turning in the right direction. Y'all notice that? I'll let you know a little secret. It wasn't the first time. So, but these hoses were, y'all don't tell nobody won't know. But these hoses on mine were up and down, and this one with the spring on it was on the bottom. This one, the way it made it, they're side to side, so wasn't for sure. So, but my luck, I put them on upside down the first time. But we got it topped off with power steering fluid. Like I said, she looks different without that front end loader on there. Like I said, it was kind of a pain in the butt because I'd had to put power steering fluid in before when I busted that hose. When I run over that stump that one time. I don't know if y'all watched that video or not. I don't even know if I was doing videos at that time. But I don't think I was actually. But yeah, I hit a stump backing up with this front tire, and it busted this hose, I think. And so I had to put power steering fluid in it then when I changed that hose, and it was hard to get to with that front end loader on there because that thing was right there. So it made it difficult. So things are definitely a lot easier to get to. Starter's easy to get to now. I could pressure wash this thing off a little bit, make it look a little better maybe. But we got our tractor back in business, minus the front end loader. Like I said, I don't know if y'all make these out, but you can see that had already been broke off before, I think. This one broke off. It bent this one down, and the way that bracket was made, it just let it slide off. And this is the one that, when I was backing up, it must have wiggled and let it fall off or something. It come down and hit that. And then this one's one I hadn't even noticed, but look like these two front ones have been broke off for a while. Maybe there's just a little tiny bit of fresh break on that right there. That one's broke, and then this one broke off. And it was just sitting down. That's the reason I didn't notice it, because it was just sitting the way it was made. It's just sitting right there. But like I said, I don't really think that front end loader was made for this tractor. Like I said, it's just weird how it sits on there. But we got that. I wished I'd grabbed me an oil plug. That thing's had a sock in it ever since I got it, and I'm sure that thing soaks up water. But that's gonna see if Josey wants to say bye. Sometimes she does, sometimes she don't. We're gonna wrap this video up. She's over here in the camper. You'll say bye? We'll say bye like Buggy. Bye like Buggy. We'll say bye like Lady. Yeah, gonna wave.
What do we have to do?
You got Charles coming in the camper. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap it up for this video. Lady's her cousin. Buggy is the little girl off the Holler Homestead. Y'all check them out if y'all ain't checked them out. We like their videos. But appreciate you watching. We'll catch you on the next one.